Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we dive deep into the future of electric mobility. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2027 Slate Truck, the compact electric pickup that's shaking up the segment with its radically simple approach and shockingly accessible price. This isn't your typical oversized, feature-loaded truck. It's a bare-bones, customizable EV designed for real-world needs without the fluff that drives up costs. Let's start with the exterior. The Slate Truck measures about 174.6 inches long, roughly the size of classic compact pickups from decades ago, making it noticeably smaller than something like the Ford Maverick. It rolls out in a single unpainted slate gray composite body, giving it an industrial, no-nonsense look with exposed bulb-like details on the panel edges for that raw, modular vibe. The design is square and purposeful, boxy headlights, a slim rectangular grille, chunky bumpers front and rear, and steel wheels that keep things lightweight and cheap to produce. The bed stretches 5 feet long, offering around 35 cubic feet of cargo space, expandable to over 81 inches with the tailgate down. Up front, there's a small frunk with about 7 cubic feet for extra storage. What sets it apart is the massive customization potential. Over 100 accessories let you add vinyl wraps in any color or pattern, decals, or even conversion kits that turn it into a 5-seat SUV with either a squared-off roof or a sleek fastback style. It's like a blank canvas on wheels, perfect for DIY enthusiasts or small businesses who want to brand it their way. Moving inside, the interior matches that minimalist ethos perfectly. In the base blank slate configuration, it's a true two-seater with a clean, throwback feel, manual crank windows, physical knobs for climate control, fabric armrests, and no fancy touchscreen infotainment. Instead, there's a simple digital gauge cluster that doubles as a rear-view camera display, a universal phone mount so you can use your device for navigation and music, and USB ports to keep it charged. Air conditioning, cruise control, power locks, and basic safety tech like automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, and airbags are all standard to meet modern requirements. The cabin uses monochrome tones with metallic accents, keeping it functional and durable. If you want upgrades, you add them yourself or order them pre-installed. Power windows, speakers, a tablet mount, or even a bolt-in rear bench for 5-passenger capability when you go SUV mode. It's Spartan by design, but that simplicity means lower weight, easier repairs, and more money in your pocket. Performance-wise, the Slate Truck keeps things straightforward with rear-wheel drive and a single electric motor cranking out 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. That setup delivers a 0-to-60 sprint in about 8 seconds, not blistering, but plenty peppy for a compact truck, and a top speed around 90 miles per hour. The standard battery is a 52.7 kilowatt-hour pack delivering an estimated 150 miles of range, while the optional larger 84.3 kilowatt-hour version bumps that to around 240 miles. Efficiency is solid at about 96 mpg combined. Charging uses the NACS port for Tesla supercharger compatibility, with up to 120 kilowatts on DC fast chargers for a 20 to 80% top-up in roughly 30 minutes. Level 2 home charging fills it in under 5 hours, and towing is rated at 1,000 pounds with a payload capacity of 1,433 pounds, enough for light hauling, bikes, camping gear, or DIY supplies, though not heavy-duty work. Now, the big headline is pricing. The 2027 Slate Truck starts in the mid-20s to under $28,000 depending on configuration, a game-changer in a world where most new trucks cost far more. Originally hyped to dip below $20,000 after federal EV incentives, recent policy changes mean that credit is gone, so expect the as-delivered price to land in the mid to high 20s for the base model. Add the bigger battery, wraps, or an SUV kit, and you might push toward $30,000 to $40,000 fully loaded, but even then, it's a fraction of competitors. You order direct from Slate's website, no dealership hassles, and pick it up locally, with service through a nationwide network of certified shops. In the end, the 2027 Slate Truck isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's for people tired of bloated, expensive vehicles who want an affordable, reliable electric pickup they can tweak to fit their life, whether that's daily commuting, weekend adventures, or light work duties. With its modularity, low running costs, and American-made appeal backed by investors like Jeff Bezos, it could spark a real shift towards simpler, smarter EVs. If you're in the market for something practical, fun to customize, and genuinely budget-friendly, the Slate Truck deserves a serious look. What do you think? Would you go base blank Slate or load it up? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed review, hit that like button, subscribe to EV Horizon for more electric vehicle breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, stay charged, and we'll see you on the next Horizon. Drive electric.